my channel again. Today, as you can see in the title down below, we will be doing the first episode for my series Christmas with Mia. And as you can see behind me right now, there is something new, and that will be the project that we will be doing in this video together with the DIY pillowcase over there, the blue one with the snowflakes. So if you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you have more suggestions for my upcoming series or for my ongoing series, please don't forget to comment down below, and I would love to do the things that you will be suggesting. Without any further ado, let's get on to the video. To create this canopy, you will need the fabric of your choice, a pair of scissors, and of course a glue gun. And then I just cut the fabric or the chiffon into lengthwise and then glue it crosswise to have a longer fabric for my canopy. And then I just hang it under my ceiling and add a Christmas lights just like this.
The Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
To create the pillowcase, I just had a stencil, printed it out from Pinterest, and then cut it out. And then I taped it on the pillowcase and started painting with a gold paint. You can use any paint, you can use fabric paint or any paint that you have on hand, and just let it dry under the sun for a dry paint. So that's the project that we did, guys. So if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like this video. And if you have Facebook and Instagram, you can follow me with the username JoyOfMia. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And on that video, we will be doing more decorations for our room intended for the tables. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.